So, you're working on a Google Docs project and want to make it look snazzy? Well, let me show you a nifty trick importing and exporting styles. It's super easy, I promise. First, open up your Google Docs document. Now, let's say you've got a document with some awesome formatting that you want to use in another document. All you have to do is go to the Format menu, click on Paragraph Styles, and select Options. From there, choose Save as My Default Styles. Boom! Your styles are now saved and ready to be imported. Now, let's move on to exporting styles. Say you want to share your amazing formatting with a friend or colleague. Simply go to the Format menu again, click on Paragraph Styles, and this time select Options and Save as New Style. Give it a name, and voila! You've exported your styles. To import the styles, your friend or colleague just needs to follow the same steps. They'll go to the Format menu, click on Paragraph Styles, select Options, and choose Import Styles. They can then select the file you exported, and boom! Your styles are now in their document. So, there you have it, importing and exporting styles in Google Docs made easy. Now go forth and make your documents look fabulous.